Hello everybody, today I'm walking from the Mega Market to the Lotte Cinema about 450 meters away. Let's go. It's a weekend night, Saturday, 8:30 p.m. I saw the Lotte Cinema from the Anpo Metro station, which is behind me, so I decided to check it out. I just visited the Mega Market. It's a very big supermarket, I think it's the biggest one. And there's even Lotte over there. So this area I think less motorbike than District 1. And a lot of expats live here. This is the Taudian District 2 area. There are many motorbikes here. And a restaurant or sushi store. Michelin. This is not a Michelin restaurant, but a Michelin tires. It's a nice restaurant right here. Looks cool, huh? Wow, I can really see the Cantavil right here. Lotte Cinema and some of the restaurants. Let's check it out, man. By the way, if you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe so more find the video. Thanks so much. See you guys again. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.